So today I'm giving you a beginner-friendly walkthrough of Outreach.io and showing you how to automate your US prospecting the right way. Before we jump in, there's something every new SDR needs to know. If your outreach feels slow, manual, or inconsistent, there's one simple change that fixes everything smoothly: a properly built Outreach.io workflow. Before I show you the exact steps, here's what happens when Outreach is set up correctly. Your email sends automatically, tasks organize themselves, follow-ups happen on their own, and prospects finally stop slipping through the cracks. That's the moment automation clicks, when you realize, oh, this thing is basically run my day for me. We'll go deeper in this tutorial, but here's the simple flow you need to understand. First, you choose a sequence, the backbone of outreach automation. Then, you add steps like email, call, LinkedIn message, task, or whatever your playbook needs. Next, you create triggers so outreach can do the work for you. Add prospects automatically, move them to the next step, pause them, mark them as finished. And finally, you track everything with real-time metrics that tell you which messages actually convert. This is the moment that changes your prospecting forever. And that's my quick breakdown of Outreach.io for beginners. If you want the full detailed tutorial, stick around. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical sales automation tips.